In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a repository on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository you want to transfer. Make sure you have permission to transfer the repository and that you know the username or organization that will receive it. Next, click the Settings tab at the top of the repository page. Scroll all the way down to the Danger Zone section. In this section, find Transfer Ownership and click Transfer. Now, GitHub will ask you to confirm the transfer. Enter the name of the repository, then type the username or organization that will become the new owner. Double-check that you've entered the correct information before continuing. After that, click I understand, transfer this repository. Depending on the destination, the new owner may need to accept the transfer before it's completed. Once the transfer is accepted, the repository will appear under the new owner's account. Finally, if anyone was using the old repository link, GitHub will automatically redirect visitors to the new repository location. However, it's still a good idea to update any documentation or bookmarks with the new repository URL. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer a repository on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.